Here we go. Good luck, everyone. We're gonna roll the dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6-sided die. Box number 3. 1, 2, 3. Box number. Wait. Yeah. So it'll be box number 12. Box number 12 out of this. Alright. Let's roll the dice. See how many times we hit the randomizer? 7 times. 7 times on the randomizer. We got Rayoni, Canes Fan Bob, State of Hockey, R. Pyers, Irving 77, and Big Seth 7 times. I'm not avoiding it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Rayoni on the top, State of Hockey at the bottom. On to the divisions. We got Atlantic, Northeast, Southeast, Central, Northwest, and Pacific. 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last time coming. Good luck. 7. Atlantic on the top. Northwest at the bottom. Alright, here you go. Rayoni, the Atlantic. Big Seth, the Southeast. Canes Fan Bob, Northeast. Irving 77, Pacific. R. Pyers, Central. And State of Hockey, Northwest. I'll print that out for myself. How much for the Sharks? If I pull Donskoy, I'll send it to you. Alright. I give you guys a link to the teams. There you go. There we go. Box number 12. Let me get the focus off. Box number 12. Good luck, everyone. I have the Yotes. Uh-oh. Domi High Gloss. Come on, Domi High Gloss. Domi High Gloss for sale. We've got Joe Pavelski. First one. And Mario Lemieux, regular checklist. Mario Lemieux, Shining Stars. Nada. Up next, we got a young gun. Max Domi, not the high gloss. Not the high gloss dummy. There he is. No, this week, Chuck. This week. Colton Parayko of St. Louis Blues. That is Central. R. Pyers. Nice. Danny DeKaiser, canvas. Yeah, hopefully you can get Medvedev. PK Subban. That would be nice for Nathan if you got the Medvedev. Brett Kulak. Calgary Flames, Northwest. That is State of Hockey. Nada. Wow! For the Buffalo Sabres, Northeast, Canes fan Bob. That's the second one we pulled here. Very nice. Yeah, he's excited to be pulled, right? Sorry, Nathan. It's still not done. I know, it's still not done. I want to say... that's not the one that had the 8 boxes left. I gotta double check the video, but I want to say that wasn't one of the ones that had the 8 boxes left. Evgeny Malkin. I kind of want to say that, but I'm not 100% sure. I gotta double check the videos. Corey Perry. Evgeny Malkin for the Penguinos. And that is Atlantic Rayoni. Regular checklist. Shea Weber. Evgeny Medvedev! Evgeny Medvedev. Wow, congratulations, Rayoni. Wow. Oh, wait, Atlanta. Yeah, congratulations, Rayoni. Congratulations, Rayoni. He's the most sought out rookie card, honestly. And there he is. There he is. Yes, they come hand in hand, Sanders. Usually when you all the boxes that I've done, When you see Medvedev, you get McDavid in the same box. And you got it, Nathan. Martin Brodeur, Legends. John Tavares, Canvas. Jonathan Taves. I think that was left from the 8-boxer, yeah. That might be left from the 8-boxer. I want to say. Not 100% sure. Stanislav Galiev, Washington Capitals. That is Southeast, Big Seth. You know what, Penzito, I'll tell you something about that right now. Off the camera. Clear cut superstars for the Edmonton Oilers. Wayne Gretzky. And the last pack has Jonathan Drouin, Canvas. And that was the box. Wayne Gretzky, Clear Cut Superstars, Stanislav Galiev, Connor McDavid, Evgeny Medvedev, Evgeny Malkin, Evgeny Jack Eichel, Brett Kulak, Colton Parayko, Max Domi. Very nice. Thank you, everyone.